fix the other bed, the headboard, I guess if you want to call it, the original one off the truck. As I showed you before, it's trashed on the bottom only. It's all rotten in here. So what I'm going to do, I've already cut a piece of metal to do the whole front, the whole section here. I'm going to cut this here out. I cut a new piece of metal here. I'll weld that in there. I'm going to bend it 90 degrees. That'll come down along here and along there. I think it'll work. It's 51 inches long, or 50 inches long, something like that. So I can't put it into my son's brake because his was only 4 feet. So I'll go back to the redneck brake, which is my workbench. So just put her up here, clamp her down, and smash the shit out of it. Just like that. And we will clamp her there. All clamped down, ready to go. My big ass hammer here. It's a nice big dead blow. But anyway, we'll gently bend it around and away we go. Now I'm going to use my little body hammer to just make it a little bit tighter. Perfect. Put that on the box of the truck. Put that on there. Trace around it, weld her in, done deal. Like it. Okay, here's something I can't figure out. I either have 10 markers or I got no markers. I want to cut this piece here to go on the bottom of the headboard of the box. Can't find a marker. Before I used to have 4 in my pocket, they're always falling all over the place. Now I can't find one. It's not one thing, it's another. Yeah, you're probably saying I can't find a marker because I'm disorganized. Well, I got news for you. I am disorganized. That's fine. It's me.